Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to blend the best of both worlds, a pan aiming for versatility and everyday usability. We're talking about the Martha Stewart Badgley Hybrid Nonstick 12-inch tri-ply stainless steel fry pan with lid. This isn't just another frying pan. Martha Stewart's name brings a certain expectation of quality and thoughtful design, and this Badgley model aims to deliver on that. Right out of the box, you're getting a substantial 12-inch pan, made with a tri-ply stainless steel construction. What does tri-ply mean for you? Well, it means there's an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel. This is crucial because that aluminum core is excellent at distributing heat. The idea is that heat travels evenly from the base all the way up the sides, minimizing those annoying hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. No more burnt centers and pale edges. Now, the headline feature here is the premium hybrid nonstick technology. This is where things get interesting. Martha Stewart is combining the durability of stainless steel with the easy release of ceramic nonstick. They've achieved this through a laser-etched stainless steel surface, which, in theory, provides little ridges that work alongside the ceramic coating. This is supposed to give you the best of both worlds, the ability to achieve a perfect sear on your meats, as you'd expect from stainless steel, while still enjoying the convenience of food not sticking, even when you're using less oil. Speaking of healthy cooking, the ceramic non-stick coating is advertised as being non-toxic, made without PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium. This is a big selling point for many people looking for healthier kitchenware. Requiring less oil or fat for cooking is not only good for you, but it also means your food releases from the pan with ease, and the cleanup afterward is meant to be a breeze thanks to a residue-free interior. Let's talk about the ergonomics. The handle is a Y-shaped design, which is double-riveted for a secure grip. Martha Stewart claims this design is meant to diffuse heat, helping to keep the handle cooler to the touch while you're cooking. This is a thoughtful touch, as a comfortable and safe handle is paramount for any pan, especially a larger one like this. Compatibility is also a strong suit here. This pan is induction ready, meaning it will work on induction stovetops, but it's also suitable for gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and halogen cooktops. So, no matter what kind of stove you have, this pan should fit right in. It's also oven safe up to a generous 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to start something on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. The tempered glass lid is also well designed. It has a vent to allow steam to escape, which helps prevent messy boilovers, while still locking in heat and moisture to keep your food cooking beautifully. Now, for the pros. The hybrid nonstick technology is a major draw, offering the potential for both excellent searing and easy food release. The tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution, which is fundamental for good cooking. The inclusion of a lid is always a bonus, and the oven-safe rating and broad stovetop compatibility make this a versatile pan. The emphasis on non-toxic materials is also a significant advantage for health-conscious consumers. However, no product is perfect. The description states that hand wash is recommended, which might be a drawback for those who exclusively use their dishwasher. While it is listed as dishwasher safe in one part of the description, the care section specifies hand wash. This slight inconsistency might leave some users wondering about the long-term durability if put in a dishwasher regularly. Also, while the hybrid technology sounds promising, the real-world performance of laser-etched stainless steel combined with ceramic non-stick can vary. We'll have to see how it holds up over time and with frequent use, especially when it comes to metal utensil. Safety, which is mentioned as being protected by the ridges. In conclusion, the Martha Stewart Badgley Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan is a compelling option for home cooks looking for a versatile, durable, and health-conscious addition to their kitchen. Its robust construction, innovative hybrid nonstick surface, and thoughtful design features like the stay-cool handle and vented lid make it a strong contender in the crowded cookware market. If you're seeking a pan that can handle a variety of cooking tasks from searing to everyday sautéing, this Martha Stewart offering is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.